Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So this video is titled How to Purchase Your First Stock. This video is for people that are new into buying stocks, but veteran stock buyers, you're welcome to help out anybody in the comment section below. This video is not meant to be any sort of financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor for that. And if you're not going to do that, it would be wise to do some research, maybe read some books. A good book to read would be The Intelligent Investor, and you can find that usually on YouTube in an audiobook format. All right, so let's get to this. So the first tool you're going to need to purchase your first stock is you're going to need a brokerage account. And these things are like opening up a bank account. They're pretty easy to do, and there are still some places that exist that you can walk in and set one up. But for the most part, what most people do is they just set one up online. It's very simple, and they usually all have an app that's available to download on your smartphone or your tablet or whatever. So luckily for you, it's 2020, and most brokerages nowadays don't charge a commission for buying stocks. Also, they don't usually have limits anymore on how many stocks you can buy. You can buy one share if you want, and some of them actually offer fractional shares where you can just buy part of a stock. So when you're looking up which brokerage you want to do, just look at what they're offering, because some of them even offer checking accounts, ATM cards, and different things. A lot of them are free to sign up, and some of them charge. So those are things to look into what you can do. For me personally, I actually use three different ones. I use M1 Finance, Fidelity, and Robinhood. Each one kind of caters to something different. I have my IRA with my Fidelity. My Robinhood is where I'll just buy my miscellaneous stocks. And my M1 Finance is set up a way that they use this pie chart, and you kind of just throw money in and it buys fractional shares of multiple stocks. So there's different routes you can take with your investing style. So just look into what kind of works best for you. So after you're all dialed in with your brokerage account, you can go ahead and pick out which stock you want to purchase. Now, some brokerage accounts, not all of them, they will show an ask price and a bid price. The ask price is a price that you're going to be able to buy that stock for, and the bid price is the price that you're going to be able to sell that stock for. The ask price is higher than the bid price, but not all brokerage accounts show that. So one of the most important things you need to understand when you're purchasing your first stock is that the stock market is a very volatile place. Prices can change several times a minute to every single second. So some of these brokerage accounts, they show you kind of live feeds of what price the stock is changing at that instant, and some of them don't. Some of them you have to refresh the page. But anyways, if you're going to buy the stock, there's a couple different things you can do. You could do a market buy, which is buying that stock for whatever price that it is right now, as long as the funds are available, of course. Or you could do a limit buy, and you can set a limit on how much you're willing to pay for that stock. And you can also do the same thing when you're selling the stock. But let's say when you're buying your stock and you're doing a limit buy, say the stock is trading at $39.60 right now, and you're thinking, well, let's see if I can buy that stock for just $39. You know, it's maybe a little volatile stock or something, and it's kind of moving consistently. So you can set $39. If it's like early enough in the day, you can set $39, and throughout the day, you know, you can get lucky and that stock can drop down 60 cents, and you can buy that stock at a much cheaper price. So one thing to keep note here too is if you're going to do a limit buy, if it doesn't hit that price during that day, then it simply just does not buy the stock. So you're gonna have to go back the next day and do it again, or do a market buy, or whatever works for you. So basically, it's just a few simple steps to purchase your first stock. You need to find which brokerage account you want. You need to fund that brokerage account. Then when those funds clear, you can go ahead and start looking for a stock to buy, and then buy that stock with either a limit buy or a market buy. It is that simple. Now, if only knowledge in what you're kind of doing was that easy, so of course, that's its own different thing. But as far as buying stocks, it's pretty easy to spend the money. So anyways, I hope you guys got some value out of this. I talk about a lot of different things on this channel as far as investing goes, like different stocks that I buy. and stuff like that, and different lists that I put together. So you might get some use out of that in the future. Anyways, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.